So here's an old boat seat that I had from a project, and I said, you know what, I'm going to keep this boat seat, and I'm going to try to redo it. So here I am right at the beginning, trying to get out the screws so I can take the frame off. Ended up having to drill out some of the screws, just how it goes sometimes when they just won't come out because they're rusted into their threads. So here are some tools we're going to be using. We're going to pull all these staples. This is just what they call a hide 'em. There are staples in the center of there. So we'll pull all these staples and then we'll show you the next step. All right, so this was put together a little more complicated than I thought. Got some staples to remove on the inside. Got to move some foam around. That's all right. We'll pull all those. We'll see what we got. Okay, so we had some glue and some staples. I do wonder if this was done by an upholstery shop. Seems like some scraps were used to make some pull downs and stuff. So as you can see with our boat seat, it is 4 separate pieces of foam. That's what our cover looks like. And I don't know, it's not in great shape. I mean, I'm sure I could repair a little bit and put it back together, but that's the trouble of doing something like this as a business, is somebody says they want to repair and then you're like, yikes, this is not in good shape. So we're going to look everything over and most likely we're going to replace it all. So another hour, possibly more, to get all these seams undone, since we're going to copy the seat. So here is our completed seat bottom. Now, I'll be the first to admit I took some stylistic liberties and also did some things different that didn't go so good. Like right there, I didn't put a hold down, so I put a little bit of stuffing. Whatever, the seat is not for sale. It's not for somebody else. It's just some practice. I haven't done one of these before, and it's tight. So there's our top. I guess we'll finish this one in the same style. We'll probably go with the beige and beige. Screws, of course, wouldn't come out of the back. And I'm going to copy this one more literally, and we'll show it as we go. Just show how this goes together. So once we got everything all torn down, we're in pieces very similar to how the bottom was, right? Now we got our cover here and our hold downs, 3 full length here. Pretty easy to add in there, just sew it in. And all right, so we're putting this together. We got all of our pull downs, and there's 3 of them, one up there, one on the side, one on this side. So we're going to hit those so we can keep that down nice and tight. And then we'll keep going. Now I know a lot of people buy this, but I'm making my own gimp to put my staples into. So here's our completed seat. Could have been better, could have been worse. It's tight, but there it is.